telling a chiropractor, physical therapist, massage therapist, medical doctor that they should go in network is a race to the bottom. It's telling a doctor or therapist you don't have to worry about getting good at fixing patients. You just do exactly what the insurance company tells you and you're going to get paid and make money. How shitty is that? My mom owns a wealth management company in Florida. She was talking to a Democratic politician at one point, and the politician was saying something like, we need to tell people exactly what to do because most people aren't smart enough, or Democrat people aren't smart enough to make their own decisions or choices. And somehow I'm associating this with doctors going in network because people need to be empowered to get the best possible solution that they can for their problem. And searching for in-network doctors or therapists is telling patients, like, you don't have to think about how you're going to get your pain fixed. Just do what the insurance company tells you and the solution is going to be there and you're going to get better. Well, that's not the way that it works. People are smarter than that. Human beings have intelligence to them, and most of us fucking know when we've been to 3 or 5 or 10 in-network doctors and it's not working that we shouldn't just keep barking up the same tree. I think that's what dogs do, is they bark up the same tree over and over again when they need to bark up a different tree, and add a network or a cash tree. And that's why I really love people like Aaron LeBauer or Danny Matta. They are PTs who teach other PTs how to go cash. That when you offer a really amazing service and you get people fixed out of pain, you can accumulate money. So it's really important that as patients, you understand what you're doing when you go and see an in-network doctor or therapist, because it's not going to go well. You've already tried this before. If it were working for you, it would have already gotten you relief. So no, Barefoot Rehab isn't going to go in-network. Yes, we really do want to help you. And yes, we're definitely more expensive than the average chiropractor or physical therapist. But in the short term, you'll pay more money. In the long term, you'll pay way less money because you're not going to waste your effort, your time, or your money on trying lots of random crap that insurance companies think is best for you, but you should just be flushing that shit down the toilet and I'll kick you in the nuts and then we'll call it a day. Let me know your thoughts. I love you.